Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model a spot inside Fusion 360. So let's get right into it. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updated. Let's get right into it. Let me zoom it, and the first thing I will go for is to look at the dimensions. 75 by 63 would be the extrusion in this case, and the height becomes 15. So let me just make a random sketch first on this vertical plane, and let me just go for a line starting from somewhere here like this, and let me just close the sketch. I'm gonna go for this becomes 12, this becomes 50, and if you look at this becomes 75. Let's say 75 and 12, 50, and that's fine for me. Right now I'll extrude it, and the extrude must be 63, and that's fine for me. Right now what I can do, I'll just choose this bottom surface and I'll go for the sketch. I'll go for a corner rectangle and I'll go for smart dimension. From here till here, this is 25, and if you look at the thickness, it becomes 12. And I'll just finish the sketch. I'll go for extrude, select the region, and then drag in opposite direction to just create a cut. Go for the home. Next, what I can do, I will create another cut at a distance of 22, and I'll go for this sketch, choose this face, go for a corner rectangle, and the depth becomes 12, 22, and 22. This becomes 12. The distance from here till here is 22, and probably I'll define this and I'll just finish the sketch. I'll go for extrude and select the region and in opposite direction to create a cutout. See? And the final thing is just a bit tricky one, but that not too much difficult. For that I'll construct a middle plane, select both opposite faces, and I'll hit OK. And I'll go for sketch and choose this plane. And right now what I can do, I'll make a profile like this, this, and this, and I'll go for the coincident mate. Okay, I'll go for the smart dimensions, and this becomes 16. I'll go for the coincident mate, and the distance from here till here is 12. So the distance from here, I'll go for the dimensions, and the distance from here till here is 12. this is 12, and if you define the height is 16, and the thickness must be okay, I think it's perfectly fine right now. Nothing additional is needed to be added over here, and right now I want to go for the symmetry and define the thickness is 25. Sorry, if it's symmetry it means 12.5 is the better option to go for. I want to go for the appearance. I want to go for the mirror and drop it down. That's perfect. Thanks for watching. Ada video upload ko mas. Udah